I'm getting revenge because it burned, or it broke my damn wooden plank. What's the opening thing? There it is. Don't worry, I have water just on standby just in case. Just to prove that it's authentic water. Shout out to PDQ for giving us these perfect little burning things, and I burned my finger a little bit there. It's just, I'm immature. Alright, I'm gonna let it burn for a little bit longer. Maybe this is why the polar ice caps are melting. It's because people start fires in their front lawn. Okay, we're done. Well, there's the keypad. I don't know. I think you can still type on this. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's a match I threw in here. Oh yeah, I threw the whole box of matches in there, which is probably why it ignited. Yep, there's the box. Lit on fire very well. Here's the bottom of it. Burned to hell. Thanks for watching.